Doors are the gateway to your home or commercial space. Hence, they need to be appealing in order to make a good first impression. Doors can come in different sizes, shapes, and they can also be energy efficient. Landmark Construction Crew is a BPI certified and professionally trained door installation contractor in Los Angeles that has been installing interior and exterior doors for both residential and commercial buildings in Los Angeles for over 10 years. At Landmark Construction Crew, we can install or replace different types of doors, such as double doors, security doors, sliding patio doors, pivots doors, folding doors, and aluminum glass doors. We offer affordable door installation and replacement services in Los Angeles, Orange County, and San Fernando Valley. Call for a free on-site consultation and estimate today, or visit us on the web for more information. Landmark Construction Crew, your contractor for life.